by the fire, talking to old Reilly's daughter. Suddenly a thought came into my head, I'd like to marry old Reilly's daughter. Giddy-eye-eye, 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 for the one-eyed Reilly. Giddy-eye-eye, play it on your big brass drum. For Reilly played on the big brass drum. Reilly had a mind for murder and slaughter. Reilly had a bright red glittering eye, and he kept an eye on his lovely daughter. Her hair was black and her eyes were blue. The colonel and the major and the captain sought her, the sergeant and the private and the drummer boy too. But they never had a chance with O'Reilly's daughter. Giddy-eye-eye, 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 for the one-eyed Reilly. Giddy-eye-eye, play it on your big brass drum. I got me a ring and a parson too. I got me a scratch in the married quarter. Settled me down to a peaceful life, as happy as a king with Reilly's daughter. Suddenly a footstep on the stair. Who should it be but the one-eyed Reilly, with two pistols in his hand? Look for the man who married his daughter. Giddy-eye-eye, 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 for the one-eyed Reilly. Giddy-eye-eye, play it on your big brass drum. I took O'Reilly by the hair, rammed his head in a pail of water, fired his pistols in the air, a darn sight quicker than I married his daughter. Now we're living by the quay. Reilly comes around when he's no porter, swears he'll shoot me someday, but he always ends up blessing his own daughter. Giddy-eye-eye, 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 for the one-eyed Reilly. Giddy-eye-eye, play it on your big brass drum. For the one-eyed Reilly. Giddy-eye-eye, play it on your big brass. Giddy-eye-eye, 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 for the one-eyed Reilly. Giddy-eye-eye, play it on your big brass drum.